If the camera access options shows on your TikTok, but when you tap on it, it redirects you somewhere else, don't worry, let's fix it together. So first you have to open up your TikTok and tap the plus button to record or upload video. So here you might notice that the camera isn't showing or the screen is completely black. So when you try to fix it from TikTok settings, it redirects you somewhere else. So when you try from here, it's not actually working. You just have to back from here and open your phone settings. So then you have to scroll down to apps and find TikTok. And then you have to tap on it, and from here make sure camera access is turned on, and also from here from photos set it to full access. But in your case, if you can't turn on any of this from here, then you have to back from these settings and now go back to your TikTok and check again. If the camera is still not working, don't worry, there's one more step. So just go back to your settings. You will find the screen time option. So now from here, go to content and privacy restrictions. Then from the allowed apps and feature, make sure camera is enabled from here. After that, if your problem is still not fixed, turn content and privacy restrictions off completely, because these settings often blocks TikTok camera access. Now force close your TikTok and settings and open up your TikTok again. Now tap the plus button and you will see the camera is working perfectly. And that's how you fix the TikTok camera access missing problem. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.